stop. Before you turn on that stove or reach for another healthy snack, I want you to look at your hands. Really look at them. If you're over 60, the muscle fibers in those hands, and your legs, and your heart, are literally starving. And the heartbreaking part, most of you are accidentally starving them while trying your best to be healthy. You guys went wild over my no-cook video, but while the comments were a battlefield, I found something much bigger, something nobody is talking about. Most people think aging is a slow fade-out. I'm here to tell you that's a lie. Your body isn't failing, it's just being fed the wrong instructions. Today, I'm giving you the 50-point blueprint for the energy you thought you lost and the brain clarity you miss, all without ever touching a frying pan. If you feel like your best years are behind you, I'm about to prove you wrong. Welcome to the science of raw longevity. The problem, the cannibal metabolism. In your 20s, your metabolism was a furnace. You could eat white toast and run a marathon. But at 60, your body is a vintage luxury car. It needs high-octane fuel, not cheap fillers. There is a biological thief called anabolic resistance. As we age, our bodies get deaf to protein. If you don't hit at least 30 grams of high-quality protein in one sitting, your body doesn't just shrug it off. It starts eating itself. It harvests your own muscles for amino acids. That is why you're tired. That is why your grip strength is fading. That healthy cereal, it's giving you 5 grams of protein and a massive sugar spike. We are fixing that right now with the cognitive catalyst. The protocol: no-cook power meals. 1. The brain fuel breakfast. Forget the box. We're using sprouted rolled oats. Why sprouted? Because it kills the phytic acid that's currently locking the magnesium and zinc away from your body. The mix: half a cup of oats, 1 cup of unsweetened macadamia milk. Avoid oat milk, it's just starch water. The secret? Chia seeds. These are tiny hydration bombs that lubricate your joints from the inside out. The weapon? Walnuts. The Journal of Nutrition proved these improve cognitive function in seniors. Add a dash of Ceylon cinnamon, let it sit overnight. It's not just breakfast, it's a brain fog eraser. 2. The sarcopenia shield, lunch. Sarcopenia is the silent thief of independence. To fight it, we make the shield mash. The base? Pole-caught wild tuna, wild planet, or safe catch. We need mercury-tested fish because mercury is a neurotoxin your brain can't afford. The binder? Organic chickpeas and extra virgin olive oil. No mayo. Standard mayo is a jar of inflammatory soybean oil. The benefit? The olive oil acts like a biological broom, sweeping inflammation out of your arteries, while the tuna provides the leucine your muscles are begging for. Wrap it in romaine for a crunch that won't spike your insulin. 3. The vascular vitality, the minefield grocery guide. When you walk into a grocery store, you are in a minefield. Healthy heart labels are often just marketing for sugar. Become a detective. If you see canola oil or natural flavors, put it back. Instead, look for smoked salmon and avocado. Your heart needs flexible arteries. The omega-3s in salmon are the gold standard. Pro tip: wrap them in nori seaweed sheets. Your thyroid is the thermostat of your metabolism. Seaweed is the world's best source of the iodine it needs to keep you from crashing. The recovery, the gut-brain axis. For that mid-afternoon slump, use the anti-inflammatory Greek bowl. The rule: use A2 grass-fed yogurt. Standard A1 dairy causes the bloating and distress we all start to feel as we get older. The topping? Frozen wild blueberries. Don't buy the jumbo fresh ones. The frozen wild ones have twice the antioxidants. This isn't a snack, it's a prescription for a sharper mind. The closer: energy is wealth. Finally, stop drinking plain water. Most seniors are dehydrated because they lack electrolytes. Add a pinch of Celtic sea salt and lime. This sends water into your cells instead of just through your bladder. This no-cook life isn't about being lazy. It's about efficiency. It's about preserving the enzymes heat destroys and spending less time over a sink and more time living. The challenge: pick just 2 of these meals for the next 7 days. Notice how you feel when you wake up on day 8. Your energy is your wealth. Don't let it go bankrupt. If you want my full simplified shopping list to make this easy, comment the word list below and I'll send it over. Stay strong, keep your muscles fueled, and remember, your best years are exactly what you make of them.
In your 20s, your metabolism was a bonfire. You could toss in trash and get heat. At 60, you're a precision instrument. There's a monster called anabolic resistance. It means your body has become deaf to protein. If you don't hit 30 grams of bioavailable protein in one sitting, your body ignores it. It stays in breakdown mode. That's why your legs feel heavy. That's why your grip is slipping. We're going to flip the switch from breakdown to build right now. The breakfast, the cognitive catalyst. Imagine holding a bowl of creamy oats. Forget the colorful boxes in the cereal aisle. That's just processed cardboard and sugar. The base, sprouted rolled oats. We use sprouted because they've already pre-digested the phytic acid that usually steals your magnesium. The liquid, unsweetened macadamia milk. Oat milk is a scam. It's just liquid starch that spikes your insulin. The glue, chia seeds. Think of these as internal WD-40. They hold 10 times their weight in water to keep your joints from creaking. The brain hit, walnuts. These aren't just snacks, they are neuroprotective powerhouses. Add a pinch of Ceylon cinnamon to lock your blood sugar in place. Let it sit overnight. It's not pudding, it's jet fuel for your focus. The lunch, the sarcopenia shield. Sarcopenia, the loss of muscle, is the #1 thief of independence. We fight it with the shield mash. The protein, wild-caught tuna. Look for Wild Planet or Safe Catch. They test for mercury. At 60, your brain cannot handle neurotoxins. The binder, extra virgin olive oil and lemon. Never use store-bought mayo. It's a jar of inflammatory soybean oil that rusts your arteries. The delivery, scoop it into a romaine leaf. No bread, no insulin spike, just pure leucine for your muscles and polyphenols for your heart.